In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create deep links within Clickup Docs, especially when working with a table of contents. This feature allows for efficient navigation and makes referencing specific sections within your documents a breeze. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about creating headings in your Clickup doc. Headings are essential because they define the structure of your document, and they are the foundation upon which your table of contents is built. To create these headings, simply use the / command. You can type a / followed by H1 for a main heading, or use H2 for a subheading, and so on. This command will format that section of your text accordingly. Having clear headings not only makes your document more organized, but also greatly helps anyone navigating through it later. Now, once you have your headings set up, it's time to insert your table of contents. This is typically done at the beginning of your document, but you can choose wherever you think it makes the most sense. To do this, type in the / command followed by TC, and then press Enter. Voila! Clickup will automatically generate a hyperlinked table of contents, listing out each heading in your document. Each entry acts as a deep link, allowing readers to click and jump directly to their topic of interest. Once your table of contents is in place, you've made it incredibly easy for anyone reading your document to navigate. Just click on any item in the table of contents and it'll take you straight to that particular section. It's seamless, quick, and removes the hassle of scrolling through pages just to find one piece of information. Deep linking doesn't stop there. You can also create a deep link to specific content blocks in other Clickup docs. This is particularly useful if you have related information spread across multiple documents. To achieve this, first navigate to the block of content you want to link to in another Clickup doc. Hover over it until you see the 6-dot drag handle appear on the left. Click on this handle and you'll have the option to select Copy Block Link. With this link in hand, you have a couple of options. You can paste the URL directly into your current document, which is quick and straightforward. Alternatively, if you prefer a cleaner look, you can select a piece of text and use the hyperlink option to embed the copied URL into the text. This creates a more polished and visually appealing link. Clicking this link will open a new tab, taking the user directly to the exact block in the other document, making the process of referencing and accessing information as smooth as possible. So, whether you're managing large projects or simply structuring a well-organized document, deep linking within Clickup Docs ensures everything stays connected and easily accessible.